Similarity to persons living or dead is purely coincidental, accidental. Coin op operators, act your age, akimbo. Soliloquy in turmoil, soil move right naturally. Self-propelled properly, property of Simeon Samosa Jr. After senior, a sophomore effort. Freshman, brazen and bold yet whimsical. Minimum wage held in the underbelly of SoCal. It's a graphic novel decal with antidote packed tones. Flight of the Navigator, Reanimator. A retrospective psychedelic pastiche. Cachet, cagging cause of the cactus. Captive caricatures, Calibu's crosshatch. Being falsely portrayed. Am I falsely portrayed? Decade of decadence. Default, it's not your fault. It's a thematic prologue with a mixture of satirical rants and ironic cliches for the space race cadet and its sloppy slapstick comedy. None ode to joy, unemployed, self-loathing archives, archivist, architect with a blueprint in a set, a kaleidoscope of visions, a quick kid with a vast knowledge of general subjects, circulating original tear sheets and electrosensitive protective poly bags.
Had a solution to the problem since the first Bush administration. Shit is unreal like teen anxiety, only the sun could blind me. Treat us stubborn, ignorant while we slave away in the employment. What's a sign of freedom? If it's flags, let those fags know that we don't need them. We can manage on a moral code and a mortal prophecy taught by mortal species. New definition of ethics include new prospects. Beneficiaries will be hardworking American people living in the belly of the beast, waiting for it to digest. Yes, I get fucked most times, but that's not the reason behind all of my deep inside. I live day to day to learn and it seems to grow inside my body like the hunger and a fiend's true appetite. The host to most prophetic themes don't know shit about major league teams, but understand why we have a president in England style as a queen. Tampered with creative frailty hidden behind a secret agency. Agents sent to censor me, my depth perception is planetary. And I can't get fucked with memes, I can't get deep. Hold me down, don't give me a chance to breathe. Cause if you did, I'll take it and show you just how I believe. First uncanny entry in any Huddy's dictionary. Find my picture in oddity under the dictionary. Used to hold it down, now pissed off and I'm holding it up. A lot to learn for this amateur before he fills his cup. Dumb luck like a beginner birdie, skill of a professional eagle. Stuffed up dumb people turning me so damn evil. See, most of you already are lost, and there's no bit passed out of the maze. You're fucked listening to the unimportant voices, faded craze, living the wrong way. Life is a judiciary, bowl of cherries. Everybody here is just one more pea in a pod. Thank you, creator, but don't blame shit on God. Got here by causing veins to the brain to clot. The meaning of apprehension escapes that crucial moment in time when the clock and the spot hit the dot.
Life is just a bowl of cherries. Don't make it serious. Life's too mysterious. You work, you save, you worry so, but you can't take your dough when you go. So